Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a press release from Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG, and this is from today, February 18th, 2025. It says, Zion Oil and Gas announces renewed operations underway for MJ01 well testing and recompletion project. Current union program ends on February 28th. It says, ZNOG is pleased to announce a significant operational milestone as work resumes on the recompletion of the MJ01 well in Israel. This marks a crucial phase in Zion's ongoing efforts to unlock Israel's onshore energy potential. Operations update. Crews on the ground and progress underway. Zion's rig crew arrived in Israel on February 15th, 2025 and has commenced critical maintenance and preparatory work. The rig, which was safely warm stacked in September, is undergoing necessary maintenance procedures including fluid changes, lubrication and greasing, and mechanical, electrical, and safety audits to ensure peak functionality. Following the maintenance, the team will begin drilling out the temporary plug at approximately 1,100 meters. This phase is expected to take 2 to 3 weeks, paving the way for the subsequent well recompletion and testing operations. Once the plug is removed, Zion will proceed with setting a permanent plug at a deeper part of the well to isolate the targeted zones of interest for testing. Global coordination and logistics. Zion Oil and Gas has successfully navigated complex logistical challenges to ensure the timely delivery of essential equipment. Resources are currently en route from across the globe, including India, Romania, Germany, the Netherlands, the UAE, the United States, and Tanzania. This unprecedented international cooperation underscores the dedication and perseverance of Zion team and partners. As we move forward with this phase of operations, we are witnessing God's provision in extraordinary ways, said Montinez, VP of Operations. The ability to coordinate the project of this scale with equipment and expertise sourced from multiple continents is a testament to both our team's determination and the global support behind our mission. Security and site preparedness. Zion has maintained continuous security at the MJ01 site, ensuring a stable and secure operational environment. Additionally, commercial air travel into Israel has steadily resumed, further supporting logistical operations. Our focus remains on safety, precision, and execution, said Zion CEO Rob Dunn. With boots on the ground and critical equipment in motion, we are committed to seeing this project through, knowing God has directed our steps forward. Completion, timeline, and next steps. With all necessary equipment expected to be on site by mid-March, barring unforeseen circumstances, Zion anticipates its well completion and testing operations should be nearing completion in Q2 2025. The team remains confident in its planned operations and will continue to provide updates as milestones are achieved. Final opportunity. Unit program closing February 28, 2025. Zion Oil and Gas reminds investors that the current unit program will close on February 28th. This is the final opportunity to participate before the program concludes. Then again, they may extend. You never know. They could always extend it. You never know. For every $250 unit purchased, investors receive common stock based on the high-low average sale price of Zion Oil and Gas. 50 warrants with an exercise price of 25 cents. 50 additional warrants for those enrolled in automatic monthly investments. Warrants are exercisable in 12 months from March 31st, 2025 to March 31st, 2026. And then here comes Faith and Perseverance. John Brown, founder and chairman, expressed gratitude and unwavering support from the shareholders and believers in its mission. We remain steadfast in our calling, knowing that each step forward is guided by the Lord. As we embark on this critical phase of operations, we are encouraged by his promises and the faithfulness of our supporters. Okay. So there we go, a press release, guys, from Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. And the price responded pretty well too. It got a 15.5% pop after the PR came out. So we're at 16 cents at about 11.40. And then PR came out, and then we ended up right at about 18 cents. So pretty cool. it'd be nice to kind of see that continue and slowly kind of make our way back up where we need to be. So see, the last 5 days are up 17.5%. The last month you're up 83.5%. The last 6 months you are up 267.8% from where it was year to date. You're up about 66, almost 67% is what you're up here. So the 1 year you're up 205%. The 5 year, this is interesting to me because I've been watching this, the same like if we got above 13 or 14 cents, things would get pretty interesting. And we just did longer term, we got as high as 18. So you can expect maybe a little bit higher push and then falling back down, retesting. But would be great if we started to make our way up and come to retest that dollar mark, and that would make a significant cup and handle pattern. I mean, we can make a smaller cup and handle pattern here if we just get to 35 cents and then we fall back down and it can bust through. I will tell you this, okay, just my personal opinion on the timeline of them announcing stuff is probably going to be sometime around June, whenever you'll hear from them again, and that's around the annual shareholder meeting and everything. So if the price does indeed move higher and really higher, okay, like speculative run up higher, do not be afraid to take some profits before that annual shareholder meeting. And I say that because I've lived through that before. That price just shot all the way up, and you have a chance to take profits or get out, and then all of a sudden they come out and they break everybody's heart again, telling them that, oh, it's not time, things aren't going what we thought, and we got more delays and everything, and this price just like completely shattered. And that was actually, let's see, when was this? So there might have been somewhere around here. Let's see. Might have been here. This is July. Let's see, May, June. I'm not sure where it was. It might have been somewhere over here. So June 18, we get all the way to like 47 cents, and then the price just like falls all the way back down to 13 cents, and then we eventually just popped up a little bit and then slid down. But just kind of throwing that out there, if this thing starts moving and we get we raise another several 100% before June comes, and it's like anywhere near like 50 cents, or let's just say even closer to $1 off of speculation that the price just starts moving significantly. Don't be afraid to hit that sell button. I'm just going to throw that out there because I sure won't be. You might leave a little bit, a little bit of skin in the game just in case things get real interesting. But if you can get a lot of that money out, whether it be profit, or I know a lot of you are down because you bought kind of higher up. This can be a chance to get your money back out and break even, or recoup some of those losses that you've had over the past couple of years. So I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm just saying kind of keep in mind if history can repeat itself. The speculative run-ups are a thing with ZNOG and gas, so just kind of keep that in mind. Make sure that you do what's best for you and have a plan in place for the future. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.